239 Fahrenheit. That's for the lye water. And let's see for the oils. 229. So that's pretty good. Sorry, 223 for the oils. And I'm gonna just pour this, so you can see along the, okay, I'm making all sorts of bubbles. This is fine. This is fine, this is fine, this is fine. And there goes my lye water. I did use half glycerin, half water. Half glycerin, half water. So, how do I get my lye water hot? Well, I heat up the glycerin and the lye. Heat up the glycerin and the water in the fridge. In the oven. Okay, well, good thing I'm going to bed soon. And I heat it up to 190 something, 196 or something like that. And I add some sorbitol to the water after heated. And then I add my potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide to the heated water and glycerin. Oops. Okay, I shall stick blend this now. I have no idea why I'm playing around with this. I'm going to stick blend this. If I can find my stick blender. Okay, I am so ready to go to sleep right now. So ready. So ready. I move everything out of my way so I don't knock things over. Because that's my favorite thing to do. This is why I do it in the sink. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Lost some soap in the sink. Lost some soap in the sink. I'm not paying attention. See what happens when you don't pay attention? And you should wear long sleeves. I don't have on long sleeve. And you stir it in, and this is not what I used to stir. This is so short. Oh, yeah. Yeah. You gotta beat that down. Wasn't that fun? That was so much fun. Not fun when you lose all your soap though. And I'm just gonna leave that alone, and then I'm just gonna I am just going to go ahead and cover it up. That's what I meant to say. Because this is quite hot, you know. This soap is very hot. Woo-wee. Hot, hot, hot. Hot like lava. I'm getting these little spills here. And you still have to use your goggles because it can get into your eyes and you don't want that, right? Okay. Let me cover this bad boy up. Oh gosh, this soap is like, let me take a temperature reading on it. Ah, 265. So I have it covered for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna go in there. See, it's like poofing up again. You see that? Poof, poof. So I'm gonna go in there, stir it down, and I'm still doing the same silly thing, using the wrong spatula. Wrong spatula. Very wrong spatula. And I do not recommend this, I do not recommend this soap to be made by people who have never made soap. If you've never made hot process soaps, you better get to making some, because let me tell you, you see the gel now? It's all jelly. For good measurement, I take a temperature reading now because this baby is still piping hot. Oh, you probably want to know what kind of soap I'm making here. I'm making liquid soap. Yes. And I'm supposed to have my sodium lactate ready for this stupid thing. I really don't care if I add it or not. I really don't care. I really don't. I'm not worried about that at all, because the last time I made, I don't think I add any after. Yeah. This is pretty much done, guys. That was done under 10 minutes, let me tell ya. Under 10 minutes. Because my soap was so hot. Once you get over 240, you are cooking, baby. So what I do, I glop this in a mold. When it's nice and soft like this, I just glop it into a mold. I'm going to glop it into the mold and just leave it there. And I should do a video as to how I break down the paste to make the liquid soap. That's what I should do. I should do a video about that, because I've only done, so this is another one of my, ugh, God, this is another one of my hot temperature liquid soap. No cooking involved, just hot lye and hot oils. And I only use 3 oils: castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. That's it. And if you would like the recipe, I will be more than happy to share. But the recipe is only for those who are advanced soap makers, okay? Anyways, ta-da! See you in the next video.